Today, I'm excited to share my experience and the key features of the new HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch. HUAWEI continues to push boundaries with innovative technologies, and this 3-in-1 tablet PC is built for both creatives and productivity-driven users. Now, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is now available for $49,999 in all HUAWEI stores and online e-commerce platforms. The packaging of the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is very simple, clad in an all-white box with very few printed elements. Opening the box, you have the following items: a microfiber polishing cloth, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch unit, a HUAWEI Glide keyboard, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 100-watt wall charger, as well as the HUAWEI M-Pencil. Straight out of the box, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch feels slim and premium. At just 5.5mm thick and weighing around 512 grams with the battery, it is still lighter than many 12-inch tablets on the market. The back panel is crafted from durable aviation-grade glass fiber, while our green color variant mimics the look of elegant silk fabric, giving it an exceptional and standout design. Around the edges, the layout is clean and well organized, featuring a USB-C port, 4 speaker grills, microphones, volume control, and a power button. Now, the most impressive part of this tablet is its large 12.2-inch display, which uses a tandem OLED paper matte panel that helps reduce glare. The screen offers a resolution of 2800 by 1840 pixels, 2000 nits of peak brightness, a pixel density of 274 ppi, support for 1.07 billion colors, and a P3 wide color gamut. It has a 92% screen-to-body ratio, framed with extremely thin bezels that maximizes the display area. Everything looks sharp, colors are vibrant, with deep blacks, and it's comfortable to use even outdoors under bright sunlight. You'll definitely enjoy watching movies, playing games, and even working on it thanks to the screen's rich details and colors. The surface has a nice paper-like texture, making it great for writing or drawing with the M-Pencil, which feels more natural like real paper even it's glass. Under the hood, it's powered by Huawei's new Kirin octa-core chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, which is plenty of space for your files, photos, and videos. For the cameras, Huawei still pack a good lens for the MatePad Pro 12.2-inch. It has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide at the back. The front-facing camera has an 8-megapixel lens that works very well for video calls, though I noticed the colors are slightly warm. The microphones are also clear and reliable for online classes, virtual meetings, or personal video calls. What stood out to me is how well it pairs with the HUAWEI M-Pencil and the HUAWEI Glide keyboard. The HUAWEI Glide keyboard is also slim, lightweight, and stain-resistant that features a magnetic hinge for smooth laptop-style use and a built-in slot that securely stores and charges the HUAWEI M-Pencil. The large touchpad and multi-finger gesture support makes navigation seamless, while the 1.5mm key travel and spacious keycaps deliver a comfortable typing experience. The third-generation HUAWEI M-Pencil is perfect for creators in mind. Its rounded hexagonal shape and skin-soothing coating make it comfortable to use for extended periods. It features ultra-low latency via Nearlink wireless tech and over 10,000 pressure sensitivity levels, ensuring responsive and great input. It also supports text-image extraction, wireless magnetic charging, and pairing, and comes with a replaceable pen tip. In terms of battery life, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is equipped with a large 10,100 mAh capacity, providing users up to 14 hours of usage whether it's for work or entertainment. What really impressed me was the included 100-watt fast charger, which fully recharged the tablet in just 1 hour. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch runs on Harmony OS 4.3, offering a highly customizable interface with features like multi-window and multi-screen collaboration, making it an excellent productivity tool for both students and professionals. The tablet also comes with a PC-level WPS Office app, with complete functions toolbar similar to your laptop, which allows you to easily open, compose, or edit Word documents, Excel sheets, and PowerPoint presentations. There are also some small PC-like features such as live multitask, external monitor support, and the ability to unzip large files, giving the MatePad Pro a more versatile workflow experience. With the Huawei Notes app, you can use the M-Pencil to jot down ideas, create sketches, or take basic notes. and even convert this handwritten text into digital format using AI handwritten enhancement feature for cleaner and more legible results. For the creative buffs, you'll be happy that the tablet comes preloaded with Huawei's Go Paint app, one of the best creative tools the brand has developed. The new Go Paint app also brings new additional features like frame-by-frame animation tools and over 150 preset brushes, including 3D oil painting, splatter, fluid, and true color brushes, along with realistic textures to make your paintings and drawings more dynamic and expressive. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch stands out as more than just a tablet. It's a versatile tool that blends sleek design, powerful hardware, a vibrant paper matte display, long-lasting battery with ultra-fast charging capabilities, and seamless software optimized for productivity and creativity. Paired with the HUAWEI accessories like the M-Pencil and Glide keyboard, it transforms into a capable workstation or creative canvas, perfect for students, professionals, and artists alike. And with its PC-like features and a 3-in-1 functionality, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch is an ideal companion for both work and school. So, if you're a creative student or working professional who values writing, sketching, and multitasking, you deserve one of the best 3-in-1 tablet PC right now. And we recommend the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.2-inch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep updated.